गोवन वार्ता लाईव्हच्या यूट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबून लेटेस्ट व्हिडिओचं नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा.
रेखाज हाऊस ऑफ कॉटन, दर्जेदार कॉटनचं अत्यंत विश्वसनीय माहेरघर. टॉवेल्स, बेडशीट्स, ड्युएट्स, ब्लँकेट्स, पिलोज आणि बाथ मॅट्स.
प्रद्युमन सोनी या उत्तर भारतातल्या 21 वर्षीय युवकानं अवयवदान करून 5 जणांचे प्राण वाचवलेत. GMCच्या डॉक्टरांनी प्रथमच अवयव काढण्यात त्यांना यश आलंय. यामुळे गोव्याचं नाव भारतातच नव्हे तर जगभरात आदरानं घेतलं जात आहे. पाहूयात या संदर्भातला एक खास रिपोर्ट.
मेंदूला इजा झालेला 21 वर्षीय तरुण गोमेक्वात दाखल झाला. त्याचा जीव वाचवण्यासाठी डॉक्टरांनी प्रयत्नांची शर्थ केली, मात्र उपयोग झाला नाही. तो युवक ब्रेन डेड म्हणून घोषित करण्यात आला. मेंदू निकामी झाला असला तरी त्याचे इतर अवयव कार्यरत होते. त्यामुळं अवयव दानाच्या दृष्टीनं डॉक्टर प्रयत्नशील होते, परंतु संबंधित व्यक्तीच्या कुटुंबानं परवानगी दिल्याशिवाय अवयव काढता येत नाही. सुदैवानं प्रद्युम्न सोनीच्या कुटुंबियांनी अवयव दानासाठी स्वतःच पुढाकार घेतला. कायदेशीर सोपस्कार पार पाडून डॉक्टरांच्या 3 टीमनी प्रद्युम्न सोनीचे अवयव काढण्याची प्रक्रिया पूर्ण केली. राज्य अवयव प्रत्यारोपण संस्था अर्थात सोट्टोच्या नियंत्रणाखाली गोमेक्वाच्या डॉक्टरांनी ही कामगिरी केली. दोन्ही किडन्या, यकृत, हृदय आणि दोन्ही फुफ्फुसं यशस्वीपणे काढण्यात आली. ब्रेन डेड व्यक्तीचे अवयव काढण्याबाबत गोव्यातला हा पहिलाच प्रयोग यशस्वी ठरला. प्रद्युमन सोनीच्या अवयवांपासून तब्बल 5 जणांना पुनर्जन्म मिळाला. अवयव काढण्याच्या यशस्वी प्रयोगाबद्दल गोव्याला हा बहुमान मिळवून देणाऱ्या सोनी कुटुंबियांचा सन्मान राज्य सरकारच्या वतीनं करण्यात आला. आरोग्यमंत्री विश्वजित राणे यांनी सोनी कुटुंबियांचा गौरव केला. यावेळी गोमेक्वाचे डीन डॉक्टर शिवानंद बांदेकर यांनी सविस्तर माहिती दिली. वैद्यकीय दृष्ट्या मृत घोषित केलेल्या व्यक्तीनं अवयवदान करण्याबाबत मोठी जनजागृती होते. मृत्यूनंतरही जिवंत राहण्याचा मार्ग म्हणजे अवयवदान. आपल्या अवयवामुळं आपल्या मृत्यू पश्चातही कोणाला तरी पुनर्जन्म मिळू शकतो, ही भावनाच मोठी उदात्त आहे. त्यामुळे अवयवदानाबाबत प्रद्युमन सोनी आणि त्याच्या कुटुंबियांच्या त्यागाचा आदर्श सर्वांनीच घ्यायला हवा.
I requested Honorable Health Minister to be present here for the only great gesture that family members had, and they could give life to 5 patients. I can vouch on that because all 5 patients are doing very well. The whole story starts like this. This patient came to us on 30th of November, admitted under neurosurgery with severe head injury with a brain death. That time also his pupils were fixed dilated. We were trying our level best to save him. Dr. Ponraj is a witness. He was doing his level best. ICU was doing everything to save the life. But to our unfortunate event, and since the severity of head injury was so much, that patient finally went into fixed dilated pupils. And on Saturday, we thought that the parents themselves came forward with a gesture that they would like to have donation of the organs. And then our SOTO team followed it up. And all of you, I can't say anything more than that. You were so kind, so great to work together. And I remember Dr. Suresh also, who came forward. He said, I'll take samples for cross-matching. Then Dr. Shirley, then Teresa, everyone here who is gathered here today, he is a member of a great human team which has made this organ donation successful. And today Goa is on India's map basically because if I tell you the heart has gone to a person who was told you will live for only 3 days, and after his heart has been implanted, today he is doing very well. His ejection fraction was 15% and this patient is in Mumbai. The patient who received lungs was a post-COVID patient and he was on ECMO. You know what is ECMO? It was put for XCM of Tamil Nadu. And ECMO, you cannot give long life. It was, again, the patient was told your survival is 3 days. And this patient, lungs has saved his life. So Pradyuman Soni, who has donated this organ, he is a 21-year boy. He has given life to 5 patients. GMC, under the team work of Dr. Tiwari and Madhu Mohan, 2 patients have received kidneys. Both are doing well, and since it is done just yesterday, we have to see and wait and see, but they are at present they are very stable and they are doing well. So this is what we say. And the person who received liver, he had a functioning liver on table. That is what was told to us. So considering this whole thing, that what we named our Soto as Nove Jivit, we could give new life to 5 patients, and it was done totally legally, impartially, and as per the guidelines of the nation. So I am proud here today to say that we have done, and the organs donated were as per the guidelines and as per the wait list. Very soon we will start our HLA lab from Jan. It got little delayed because of COVID, and I must congratulate Government of Goa.
सचिन कुटवळकर, गोवन वार्ता लाईव्ह, पणजी.